So the door on the left is the spare bedroom that I turned into a DIY master closet, and the door on the right is the door to my master bedroom. Before I show you guys the secret passage to my DIY master closet, I want to give you guys a quick tour on my bedroom. And the reason why I want to give you guys a quick tour on my bedroom, because I want to show you guys some tips and tricks on how to decorate a small bedroom. So let's go inside. Like I said, you guys, this is a small bedroom, especially considering this is a master bedroom. It is extremely small. So when you have a small space, what you want to do is you want to put large pieces in your bedroom to make it look bigger, like a large mirror will make the space feel bigger and more open. I also have a king size bed in here. You know, don't short yourself. Even if you have a small bedroom, get you a big king size bed and put like big art on the wall, big art pieces. That gives you the illusion that the room is actually bigger than what it really is. When I first bought this house, I was a little hesitant because the master bedroom was just so small, and the master closet was even smaller. Like, what the hell? This cannot be a master bedroom. This is not what I envisioned. When I thought about buying my forever home, I envisioned a big master suite with a big walk-in dream closets in a huge bathroom. That's what I envisioned. But then I realized I have a 5-bedroom house. So you guys already know I came up with the idea of turning my spare bedroom into my master dream closet. But so for some reason, once I built my master dream closet, it didn't feel like a master suite. And that's mainly because I had to leave out of the master bedroom to go to another room to get to my DIY master closet. So let's just show you guys what I used to do. Put a passcode in to get to the closet. Because as you can see, I can't remember the password right now because I don't use this entrance anymore. I have to figure out what the password is because I use my secret entrance now. What? Oh my gosh. I can't think of the password. Luckily, I have keys to this particular combo lock. It's a key and a combo. But the struggle is real. See how all this extra work I have to go through? That's why I built that secret entrance in the first place. So I would have to go to the second bedroom. It was just a hassle to get to my master dream closet. It didn't feel complete, you know? So I decided to hire a contractor to build me a secret entrance. So before I do that, I'm going to give you a flashback of the work that he had to do. So he pretty much had to knock out the wall. So you guys know my DIY closet is an actual bedroom. So of course, every bedroom has a closet. So I pretty much got the wall that separated the two closets knocked out so I can easily access my DIY master closet. I hope that makes sense. And what's so crazy is my contractor didn't really understand what I wanted to do. He wanted to knock the entire wall out. And I was thinking to myself, that's not a good idea. If I knock the entire wall out to make one big space, I am going to lose value in my house. I did not want to lose any value in my house. I'm all about quick and easy fixes. So I can easily just put 2 studs and some drywall back up and make this 2 separate little closets all over again if I wanted to sell this house. So I am big on upgrading your house, but just make sure when you're upgrading, you're not losing value. So he finally understood what I wanted to do, and he was able to execute it for me. So this is the present day. Everything is pretty much fixed up. It looks brand new again. I can actually still put clothes in my closet. Even though the wall is knocked out, separating the 2 small closets, I can still treat this as a regular closet. I can put clothes in here like a regular closet. If I wanted to hide the secret passage, I can. Just fill it up with clothes and you won't know that there's a secret passage back here. You see? There's a bunch of clothes there. You can't even tell there's a passage there. So once again, here it is with no clothes. So you can actually see the secret passage. It's like a little Jack and Jill hallway. That's what it looks like, leading to the master bedroom and master dream closet. It's pretty cool. You can't even tell that there was a wall there separating those little closets. Boom! Master dream closet. If you guys haven't had a chance yet to see that video on how I built my DIY master closet, I will link that video in the description below. Yeah, so this is the door to close the secret passage. I don't keep it closed, though. I keep it open all the time because I want to access it easily. I never close it. I'm just closing it for this video. So that's the secret entrance door. And this is the actual entrance door. The one that I just locked myself out of. So I don't use this door anymore, ever. As you guys can see, I couldn't even figure out the freaking password. I love this closet. And literally, I can get to my master bedroom in 3 simple steps. One, two, three, boom. Master bedroom. Take 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3, boom. Master closet. You see that? Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, boom. Master bedroom. So now I feel like everything is in one space. I don't ever have to leave my master bedroom to get to my closet again because I have my secret passage. My DIY master closet video is the most viewed video I have on YouTube. A lot of people told me they mimic exactly what I did. So this is an added little part for you guys that you may love. So if you guys decide to open up your wall and do the same thing, let me know in the comment section if you think this is a good idea or not. Or if you already did this, let me know. So yes, I absolutely love my house now. Now that I have my secret passage, connecting my master bedroom and master closet, I feel like the space is complete now. Thank you guys for watching my video. For all the people who turned their spare bedroom into a DIY master closet, and if you decide to incorporate the secret passage, please comment down below. I would love to hear your stories and what you decided to do with your secret passage and your DIY closet. So please comment down below. And for all the people who didn't get an opportunity to see my DIY master closet video, I will link that video in the description below. So make sure you check that out as well. As always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, you guys.